Welcome to Soterion, the leading provider of business-centric GRC solutions. Our Access Risk Manager comprises several submodules, including Identify Risk, Get Clean, Stay Clean, and Stay in Control. In this video, we'll be highlighting the benefits of the Stay in Control module. Access risk in SAP can leave companies vulnerable to fraud and errors, but it can be mitigated through controls. Many companies have controls defined, but not well documented or monitored. Soterion's Stay in Control module solves this problem by allowing companies to document their mitigating controls and monitor both mitigated and unmitigated access risk. This provides decision makers and owners with greater visibility and enables them to make informed decisions about access requests, user access reviews, and risk remediation activities. As reliance is placed on defined controls to effectively reduce access risk exposure, Soterion can generate self-assessments. These self-assessments can be confirmed by responsible parties and supported by documentation that verifies the controls have been executed according to standard operating procedures. With Soterion's Access Risk Manager, Stay in Control module, you can take full control by documenting and monitoring your mitigating controls. For more information, contact us at info@soterion.com.